In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Lovable badge in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. Whether you're looking to customize your project further or just want a cleaner interface, this process will help you achieve that. Let's dive right in and explore each step in detail, ensuring you can follow along easily. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Lovable website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in lovable.dev. Once you're there, the next step is to access your project. Make sure you're logged into your account, then navigate to your project. You'll probably find this on your dashboard or in your list of active projects. Just click on the project you want to modify. It's essential to ensure you're in the right project, as changes will only apply to the one you're working on. With your project open, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the settings. Look for a section or icon labeled Settings in your project interface. This is where most of the customization options for your project reside. After clicking on Settings, you'll see an option for Project Settings. This area contains specific configurations for your project, so go ahead and click on it. Once inside the Project Settings area, you'll need to find the Lovable branding option. This is typically where the branding tools and features are located. The option might be a checkbox or a toggle, clearly labeled to indicate its function. However, if you're on a free plan, it's important to note that this toggle might be locked. Lovable often has certain features accessible only through their paid plans, so just keep this in mind as you proceed. If you find that the toggle is locked, you might need to consider subscribing to one of Lovable's paid plans to gain access to this feature. Subscribing can often unlock additional customizability and features that can make your experience even smoother. Once you have access, turning off the badge is simple. You'll just have to toggle it off or uncheck the option depending on how it's presented in the interface. That wraps up the process of removing the Lovable badge in 2025. Remember, if you're not able to access certain options, checking your plan type or reaching out to Lovable support might be the next best step. By following this guide, you should be able to customize your project to suit your needs better and maintain the professional aesthetic you desire. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.